Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can make a photo collage on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, the application you need is Shortcuts, which is by default on your iPhone. So simply open the application and then from here you can tap on the option gallery. So after doing that, here on the search bar you can search for photo grid. So in here you can see this is the photo grid that we are looking for. All you have to do is tap on the plus icon on this photo grid, just like this. Here you can see it has now successfully been added to your shortcut. Now you can go back and then again tap on this shortcut option, and in here you can see this photo grid is on your shortcuts. So all you have to do is tap on this photo grid and your gallery will be opened. Now you'll have to select the photos that you want to turn into one single collage. Just like this, here you can see I have selected few photos, then tap on add. After tapping on add, here you can see we have successfully created the photo collage on our iPhone. So in here we also have the option of markers. So if you want to add any kind of signature or if you want to do any kind of scaling like that, you'll get that option in here. And in order to save it in your gallery, here you can tap on the option share right here. And from here, you can directly share it to your friends via message, mail, or anything like that. Or you can simply copy this photo and paste it in another platform. But for now, I'm going to tap on save image. And now this image will successfully be saved in my gallery. I'm going to go back and then simply open my gallery. Here you can see this is the photo collage. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.